Hello, welcome back to another Super Streetscape development blog. I think this is number 4 now. I've actually managed to. I'm not alone. Before you think, I'm actually joined by Tristan.
Hello.
Hello. You waved and everything. And I've actually Tristan. I guess your role in in the company is you're the gameplay programmer.
Yes, gameplay and AI.
Yeah, and
make things
like
work so we have something to do.
Yeah, actually make the game have a life. Before we had. I guess would you call it primitive car AI?
Very primitive.
Yeah.
Yes, they go down straights. They wouldn't go around turns.
Yeah. And now we seem to have you kind of been working on this for the past week or so.
Week and a half. So
yeah, week and a half. For a full-on traffic system. So right here, as you can see, we've got three sets of traffic lights at a T junction, and is it actually like what they're doing? Are there no illegal turns or anything like that?
I don't know about illegal turns. I didn't actually research that much. But traffic lights will go through the 4 systems, 4 cycles they do. So you've got green, amber, red, and red amber.
Okay.
Obviously, only one lane can go through at a time.
Yeah.
And in transition period, it's time for the cars to clear out before the next one's allowed to go.
Yeah. So how okay. So I guess we have all these paths. So I guess. From what I understood, the way that we worked, we originally had like a node-based system. We're still using that same sort of node system.
Yeah, so they'll come in on nodes, and then when they get to a turn, there'll be 3 nodes, which I'll make a Bezier curve out of.
Yeah.
And then that will be subdivided down. They'll take about 3 points on the Bezier curve and use that as their node to travel around. Obviously, on a straight down there, it's only 4 nodes, so they'll just carry on as they're going.
And okay, so I guess this is a little technical for the people who I guess might be interested in that sort of side thing. So, what's exactly like the code behind it to sort of make sure that every once in a while you see I think that this van, are they going to turn? Yeah, so this van is turning left as opposed to all of these are turning left. Oh wait, no, is the lorry going to be different? No, they're all sort of. But I mean, obviously you can sort of see in where the green light is. There's multiple paths for which they can turn. What?
Yes, so each path is numbered. So you can see the red, orange, and purple. There's only one line for those lanes.
Yeah.
So if they're on that one, they're going to go that way. Then if we come in the green lane, then they can either go the green path or the blue path.
Yep.
It's literally a 50-50 chance, and they'll pick one or the other.
Yeah.
And they'll follow that one. And that happens when they enter the tile.
Okay, so they've literally already decided before they even leave or anything like that. They know where they're going.
Yeah, as soon as they enter the tile, they're given the nodes that they're going to take, and then they'll follow that path if they can.
That kind of makes sense because, I guess if you're driving with a sat nav or anything like that, you coming up to a turning, unless if you know where you're going.
Well, that's the thing about AI. They don't know where they're going. They only know, where am I going to end on this tile? Yeah. That's cool. Then I go to the next tile. Where am I end on this tile? So it's always they'll be given their node. Next tile, where am I going from here?
Yeah. No, I must admit, it is really even that. I'm probably gonna make a GIF of this and put it online. But having the whole sort of city flowing. I guess I'll be honest. I guess with the amount of red lights and stuff like that, I think some people it's quite a slow city in terms of with the amount of constant red traffic lights and stuff like that. I think we just kind of want to promote that it's a lot easier to get around walking or skating. If we had unlimited time to work on this project, how far would you go with
just the traffic?
Yeah, with just the traffic.
I would overhaul all their movement.
Yeah.
At the moment, it's very simple. They're given a force forwards from wherever their anchor point is, and they'll take that. If I had unlimited time, I'd be putting in actual physics on the entire system. Their wheels would be turning properly. And then they'd be turning using that rather than where's my node? I'll face my node.
Yeah.
Although with the turning, they will detect the density of the nodes in front of them. If the node's very dense, they'll slow down so they can
make more an accurate turn.
So you'll notice as this light here goes green, if anything takes a blue path, they'll turn faster than if they take the red or green path.
Because it is a sharper turn than anything else. Oh yeah, we can actually compare side by side. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Yeah, ease into the corners. Yeah.
Hopefully that little car will take the blue path and show us that one's faster.
Yeah. Yeah, look, he's a little bit faster. Well, yeah, no, so that was a little short insight. I actually kept to my promise and managed to get a programmer for one of these, proper I guess I just need to grab Ollie next, and then I've pretty much done Ollie and Matt. Once I grab Ollie and Matt, I've got the whole company on one of these. So that's going to be my goal. Yeah, thanks for joining me, Tristan, and stuff like that.
That's fine.
always, as always, be sure to check out our website and Twitter and all that stuff. Follow us, subscribe. You know, tell your family, tell your friends, tell your family's friends. Oh, and actually, this is probably a good time to make a quick announcement, which we've posted a few times online. But we're actually going to be at Insomnia 57 the end of March. I think it's the 27th of March that weekend. So we're going to be there all weekend. I'll put a link in the description below. So buy a ticket and come say hi. You can see our traffic simulation in real time. So
with AI like shooting you.
Yeah.
as well.
Oh yeah. No. At the moment, this is just a test version to show off the traffic, but there'll be people. Anyway,
And the roads will be prettier, and there won't be these multicolored lines either.
we're keeping it all. We're shipping it. We're selling this as our game.
Terrible traffic sim.
In fairness, like if we just labelled it Traffic Simulator, we probably would do all right.
I think there already is Traffic Simulator.
Traffic Simulator 2.
Just don't think we're allowed.
Anyway, thanks again for listening and stuff like that, and we'll tune in next time and all that.